Hello and welcome back to another packing video. This one is super special because I am actually moving to Bangkok, Thailand temporarily for the next 4 months, and I chose this as my personal item for my upcoming flight. What is it? It is the Herman H8 multifunctional backpack. I absolutely love it. It is a backpack, but it looks like a briefcase. There is, of course, a full video here on this channel about all the features that this bag has to offer. But today we are going to pack all this into this. Let's do it. And by the way, if you are new here, I am Vicky from Nonstop Travel VV. I do lots of review videos, packing videos, everything travel related you can find here on this channel. So if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out. But now without further ado, let's see if I can fit all this into this. I am very optimistic because I've done this many times and the Herman H8 has so many compartments. So it will be super exciting to organize everything. Let's get started. But first, of course, let me grab a compression packing cube. Not that it is really needed because I'm not bringing a lot of clothes, because my situation is actually I'm gonna have a layover in Hainan. I've never been, so I am excited. And I have a hotel booked, and that will be a quick layover from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m., exactly 12 hours. I'm planning mostly on sleeping in my hotel. Hence pajamas, and I also have a t-shirt, socks and undies because I'm planning on having a shower before I get on my connection flight to Bangkok so that I arrive fresh. Alright, this is a packing cube from Bag Smart. It is a small one because that's all we need. Alright, I am so excited about moving to Bangkok. Let's put my PJs in here. So they're just a set of matching shorts and a t-shirt. So if you are packing for a layover that is longer than just 12 hours, then of course, by all means, you can definitely bring more clothes. More would fit into there. And I am hoping that my checked luggage, because yes, I'm traveling with checked luggage this time. You know me, I'm a minimalist traveler. If I just go on a trip, even if it's an around the world trip, I only travel with carry-on, obviously. But because I'm sort of moving there and I want to bring a few things, and this will be my personal item and my viola will be my carry-on item because it is a bit longer. And the carry-on allowance in total for Hainan Airlines is, I think, 8 kilos. So we also have to stay light. So that is the reason why I'm not bringing a lot of clothes. Also because I won't be needing it, because yes, I also have a suitcase. All right, then there is one t-shirt. It is my Scotch and Soda, which is my fanciest t-shirt, but it's also really thin, so it doesn't weigh much. And it says Wanderer. So I think that's very appropriate. So I will put that in here. Then we've got my flight compression socks. They will not go into the compression cube because I will have to grab them once I'm on the plane. And then I've got socks with like non-slip soles. In case the hotel room is tiled or something, then I will probably wear those in the hotel room. Or if I feel so energetic that I want to go to the gym. I'm not sure even if my hotel has a gym. It's probably not gonna happen, but you know, the option is there. It's always good to keep all your options open. And then just a normal pair of socks that I will wear when I continue on. And then 2 undies. All right, so that is really all that goes into this compression packing cube. Of course, I could have not used a packing cube at all and put my clothes in the bag by themselves, but I just like having all my clothes together in one place and it just makes it more organized. So this can already go in. And yes, if you watched my full review video, you know there is like 2 compartments for the main area. Like one is for the laptop and electronics and one is for everything else. So this will go into the everything else compartment, which is huge. So, I mean, this will just disappear in here. I mean, it's nothing. There is so much more room, which is good because I want to bring snacks. Right now, I only have like 1 protein bar, but I will buy more things on the way to the airport, probably. Since I have this in my hands, I might put that in the outside compartment. I might still rearrange. Let's see how we go. Then what else will I put in the main compartment? My scarf. Because yes, it always gets cold on a plane. I know, I said that a million times, but it does, and I'm always freezing, so a scarf is a must-have for me when I fly. So that fits in here on the side easily. Then I have a tote bag because you never know, maybe I do run out of space, or maybe in Hainan I want to go exploring and shopping and I don't want to bring my whole Nayo Smart bag, so then I have a tote bag. Always good to have. So I will put that in here, or if I want to buy a lot of snacks because I'm really hungry. And then my compression socks that I need for flying. You know what? I will also put them with the scarf here on the side. Easy to find. And again, there's still so much space. Let's put the toiletries in there as well. So it's always good to have like small versions of everything. Like I've got a small toothpaste, I've got a toothbrush in here, I've got a tiny, tiny sunscreen, and then just some moisturizer. I even have a small shower gel in there. Just in case that the hotel doesn't provide shower gel. I mean, I'm pretty sure it would, but I've got extra in here. I've got makeup wipes, and I even got a shower cap in here that I got from a different hotel that I didn't use. It's always good to have those handy because not all hotels have shower caps, and I'm probably not gonna wash my hair on my layover. So anyway, that's gonna easily fit in here as well. And then, because this does not have an outside water bottle compartment. So my beloved Binyanda water bottle, and I know that you guys love this as well because I've got a lot of questions about it. So it's actually a thermos. And it's just a really good size. I mean, yes, it's small, but if they give you water on the plane as well, and I think on that plane they will give you water, then it's gonna be fine. All right, so I'm gonna put this in here in the water bottle compartment here. And I think that wraps up the front main compartment because the rest is sort of tech things and outside compartment things. So now let's put the laptop in because I want to have that with me because I will probably be editing this video when I'm on the airport. So this is gonna go in here. It has a nice fluffy compartment for the laptop. But again, I've got a full tour, so you probably already have watched it and you know all the compartments that this bag has. All right, what else goes into the tech side of things here? How about my headphones, the ones with a cable? I know there are adapters as well that you can just use your wireless headphones with the in-flight entertainment. But since I've got those forever, and they're actually really good ones, they are Sennheiser, I think. And I don't think it adds more weight than an adapter. So that's why I keep using those. But I mean, again, if you don't have cable headphones and you want to use the in-flight entertainment with decent headphones, get yourself one of those adapters on Amazon and use your normal earbuds. So I will put the cable ones and the non-cable ones in those mesh compartments here, those stretchy ones. All right, that fits nicely. And then I've got my Epica adapter that I will link for you guys down in the description. And I will also link the Binyanda water bottle again because I know you guys want it. This is my Epica adapter thing because I actually have no idea what they use in China. Is it the same plugs that they have in Europe? I think so. Let me know in the comments. But anyway, I will find out. And this is for everything anyway. So no problems with this. So that will go in here. I think this wraps up the tech compartment because I don't have that many things. I don't travel with a power bank. Oh, my DJI Osmo Pocket camera, and I'm using that for filming right now. That will go into its little pouch, and then that will also easily fit in here. So that's the other thing that I would pack. Let's zip this up. Cool. And now the outside compartment. I will put my disinfectant wipes in here because yes, I always disinfect everything around me on the plane. And my tissues. Then I've got a hand cream that I could actually have put with the toiletries, but I use it more often than anything else. So this gets a special place in this compartment here because we've got two outside compartments. I will just put that in here. It will be easy to find. Then my passport. Aha. So here we've got special compartments for credit cards, and the passport I think can go on top here. Ooh, perfect. I love it. I love it. Let me grab my credit cards. Yes, I've got my normal credit cards. Obviously, I'm not going to show you, but I also got a Revolut account. My brother has recommended it to me. So I'm not sponsored at all, and I don't know yet how awesome it's going to be, but the app looks awesome. And I got a credit card from them, and I think I can actually show you because it does not have the code in the front. But you know what it has? It has a turtle. That's because you can customize your card. So this alone for me is a reason to have a Revolut account, but I think it also saves you all those conversion fees and everything when you pay with it when you are abroad, and you also collect points and everything. So I'm not an expert yet, but I mean, maybe one day they will sponsor me. Revolut, if you're watching this, I love you guys already, please do so. Quick note from editing Vicky, it works really well, and it has been working hard in the last 2 days since I arrived in Bangkok because I've been shopping lots. So I'm a big fan. But even though I'm not sponsored, I might have a link for you guys if you want to sign up for Revolut too. There's a free version and then there's a paid version, which is still super cheap, but you also get travel insurance. So absolutely awesome. Yeah, I'll put the link in the description. But now let's just put the cards into the slots. So what can I say? The good old days where I actually had a wallet are over. I don't need a wallet. I mean, everything is perfectly organized in here. And then Sunny's, my fancy fake Prada sunglasses that I got on my Bali trip. I will put them in here. I will close this up. And last but not least, my phone, I will just put that here on the outside. Easy. All right. Then you can close the handles. And I will show you, in case you missed my review video, how it works as a backpack. And as you know, I got pretty much the entire collection of Nayo Smart backpacks. For some reason, this one sits perfectly well on my back, but maybe that's just me, but I find this more comfortable than all the Nayo Smart backpacks that have like a special back cushioning system in there. This one doesn't have anything special, it's really just flat. But for some reason, I find it super comfortable and it feels much lighter than all other backpacks. So that's one of the reasons why I love it. But I will now show you how I'm actually gonna use this on this trip. So I'm actually gonna use the strap. And yes, here is my viola. That will be on my back. That's why I cannot use this as a backpack while I'm traveling. And I just love having bags that look really fancy when I travel. Because I mean, if I should be so lucky, I could be upgraded to business class, and then I do want to look the part. So I mean, fingers crossed, but I mean, it doesn't hurt to have like really fancy luggage, just saying. Oh, and by the way, just saying, one of the reasons also why I left so much space on top in the main compartment is because I will wear a jacket while I fly. And probably as soon as I get to Bangkok, I just want to take that off because it's gonna be 30 degrees or something. And then I still have room to put that in there. And then also I will slide this over my suitcase handles because I can just open the zipper down there. Because yes, I mean, with the laptop in there, of course, it's not super light. So it will be nice to just have it sitting on my suitcase. First, let's hide the backpack straps. I don't know why I'm already wearing my viola on my back, but I got too excited there, I guess. Okay, they disappear in there. Goodbye, backpack straps. As if nothing happened. And now, and there you have it. My viola on the back, my laptop and everything I need for the flight in here. Could I ask for more? I don't think so. So there you have it. This is everything I pack into my personal item. Of course, I will link the bag and a discount code for all Nayo Smart backpacks, but also including this. That will all be linked down there in the description. I will also put a QR code here on the screen. And please hit subscribe if you haven't yet, because my next video will be filmed in Bangkok. How exciting is that? So again, thank you Nayo Smart for making amazing bags like this. Thanks for watching, happy travels, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!